Even though this school year is drawing to a close, as parents, you know that back to school is always just around the corner, and it's never too early to start getting ready. Joining us now to discuss is Dr. Gayathri Kapoor from Orlando Health Physician Associates. Thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so kids are just starting to get out of school. They're thinking about sleeping in late, going on vacation, but really this is the ideal time to schedule their physical.
Absolutely, yeah. So physical season is upon us. It's coming here before you even know it. So while some kids are thinking about sleeping in and, playing the next new video game, we as physicians are thinking about physical season. So the summer is a great time to get your physicals in. So your physical involves like getting a regular well-child exam, but this has many components to it, and it's really important to schedule them sooner rather than later.
And one thing I've noticed in the last few years with my son is that there's a whole list of mental health questions that are now asked during a routine physical. Why is that?
So a couple different reasons, right? I think that a lot of times mental health is something that's missed in our adolescence. And it's also something that, some houses, they don't talk about regularly. So as a physician, I think it's really important that we address if there are any concerns when it comes to mental health and to bring up something that could be controversial. I think we do a good job of bringing the parents in when it's appropriate and having those conversations together because at the end of the day, I think we want to foster these healthy relationships at home. I think another thing to mention is that, we also do sports physicals here. So for our teenagers or even middle schoolers, and we, some of our clinics even offer EKGs in office and interpretation. So I think that's a great service that we have.
It is huge. My son is a competitive swimmer and he had to get one. And so then we had to go to another doctor. But you're saying that here at Orlando Health, you can actually do that in the same office that you're getting your physical in.
Correct. So many of our clinics offer this service. So we're able to do the EKG and fill out your sports physical form and sign off on it as long as everything's good. And if everything's not, we know who to refer to and we can get you in to see them.
So to be the best parent, proactive for my child's health, what can I ask when we go in for the next physical to get the most out of it?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I think the biggest thing is make a list at home. Whenever things come up, I think it's so easy to be like, oh yeah, I need to remember to ask my doctor that. But things happen and you get busy in like the thick of summer and sometimes you just don't remember. So as things come up and you notice things in your kid like, oh yeah, he is snoring, or he's not sleeping that well at night, he's waking up, or my toddler isn't really eating what they used to anymore, what can I do? So write these things down and make sure to ask your physician.
And if you would like more information, you can visit orlandohealth.com/back-to-school.